In today's video, I'll show you how to add a custom field in Asana. Custom fields let you track exactly the information that matters for your projects, beyond what Asana gives you out of the box. Let's jump in. First, I'll open my project to get started. Then I'll click into the list view, where custom fields live as columns right alongside your tasks. Now I'll click on Add Field to open the field type picker. Asana gives you a bunch of options here: text, numbers, dates, people. For this example, I'll click on Single Select, which is perfect for a fixed set of choices. Since the title box needs an entry first, I'll click Create Field to trigger the prompt. That opens up the title box, so I'll type in Project Phase to describe what this field is tracking. With the title set, I'll tab over to the options list to add my first choice. I'll type in Planning as the first option here. Then I'll tab down to the second option box. I'll type in Execution, giving me 2 clear stages to pick from. Finally, I'll click Create Field one more time to add it to my project. And there it is, a brand new column, ready to use on any task. To recap, click Add Field, choose your field type, name it, add your option values, and hit Create Field. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!